Hello, in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the error ChatGPT failed to get upload status for mount/data. This error usually may occur due to a network problem. So make sure you're on a stable internet connection and then maybe you can try again. Or sometimes ChatGPT, its servers may be down, so what you can do is to try again at a later time. You can actually try to see if the error still occurs. If the error still proceeds, you can try these other solutions. What you can do is when you try to download it and then it fails, you can just try to refresh the page and then try to re-download it again. Another way is to use a VPN. Just turn on your VPN. Just download your preferred VPN and then run it, and then you just have to turn it on. The other thing you can do is to try to change the browser you're using. You can use another browser such as Microsoft Edge or something you may prefer to use that is suitable to you. Try that and then see if it fixes your error. If that doesn't work, you can try this other solution. Just have to go top right on the profile icon and then just go on my GPTs and then you have to toggle on code interpreter. Once you do that, it may fix your error. So those are the quick fixes you can try to solve that error.